Italon! With the beautiful is Madeleine and with their news, Miss Maribel Pusoy. Dito Juan Benguet is more popular known as the gold heaven in the region. With the mineral-rich land and mountains oozing colors of crystal white to yellows to rich terracottas and golds, rising from ordinary and semi-arid landscape, driving through the now completely paved roads of the area. Visitors get a glimpse of the ruins of